We are going to fix and detail all the issues of Fernando Alonso's Maserati GranCabrio. Fernando Alonso did receive this car in 2010, and that was also the year he was starting to drive for Ferrari. And that year was also pretty good. He was nearly world champion, although he lost the last race in Abu Dhabi and therefore missed out of the championship. But at least he had this car with an amazing sound. But in 2010 this car was brand new, and we are going to make it brand new again. To get a better overview of the car, we're going to first wash the car, and then we're going to show you all the issues. The paint is missing out a lot of gloss, and the logos are completely corroded away, and a dirty engine bay. The wheels are damaged. The buttons are so sticky that your fingerprints stay on the buttons. The leather is damaged, lost its color, and is very dry as well. Stay tuned how we're gonna fix the leather issues and also how we're gonna fix the sticky buttons, because there are a few options. So now it is time to fix the leather issues. Some people would say maybe why do not put new leather in, but we want to keep the car as original as we can. So therefore we don't do that, and we're going to spot repair the leather. We're going to first wrap the area and then match the color exactly, and after you can actually never see that anything happened. So to fix all the soft touch paint on this car, we have actually a few options. First of all, you can actually buy all the parts new at Maserati. However, when you buy them new, the same problem will occur in a few years, because Maserati and all those Italian brands, Ferrari as well, they do not learn from their mistakes. So they keep on making it like this. So if you buy them new, in a few years, they will be sticky again. So that is not an option for us. We have left then two options, and this or completely recoat the surfaces. There are a couple of companies that do that. They're going to completely recoat the surface and a correct coating. They are going to laser etch all the logos, because under these logos there will be little lights. So that's an option, but it's a very expensive option, and it quite takes some time because you have to send them away for a couple of weeks. The other option is this. This is our paint alcohol. You have to see it like this. These are plastic panels. These are painted in color and then laser etched the logos in them. And then they put this soft touch on them to make it feel a bit more expensive and not so plasticky. To be very patient, it's quite some work to do that. But not that much work as building everything out and recoat the surface. So therefore we chose in this case for this option. So let's start and let's see how we can fix these panels up. So we have here a 4.7 liter Ferrari engine with 470 brake horsepower, and obviously an amazing sound and also amazing looks as well. So thank you for watching again, and it was an absolute honor detailing and fixing up Fernando Alonso's Maserati. I hope to see you next week. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you next week. Thank you for watching.